Hi Sean, it's the same for all of these, whether or not they've got characters in or not. I'll just show you an example. So I've just searched for FedEx, for instance. Let's go for this one. Download the EPS. Just download it manually. It should be there now. Yeah. So here it is. So I'm just going to open it with Illustrator. Come along. Okay, so here it is in Illustrator. Just because I don't want this bottom bit, I'm just going to select with a white arrow over those and delete them. Now, if you select these, you can see these aren't characters. They're in the shape of characters, but they're not letters. They're just shapes. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll do save as onto the desktop. We'll just call it FedEx. Desktop, Illustrator. Then when you get to here, just change it to Illustrator 8 and just say OK. You'll get a message saying, are you sure? Just say OK. Then that's it, done with the Illustrator. So back to Cinema 4D. And if we just go to my desktop, it's here, and you should just be able to drag it in. Just say OK. Now just check, you can see that it's quite small. So I'm just going to scale it up. To select it first and scale it up. Great. Okay, and we're just going to set it to be at 0, 0. Okay, so there we go. So if it goes to a front view, you should see it here. Yeah, now that size looks good. Now if you open it up, you'll see that we've got a number of paths. So let's just check what they all are. So that's the E. That one's the D. And this and this. So these three make up that shape. So just to start with, I'm just going to get those three, take them out, and I'm just going to right click, connect and delete. Then that leaves us with this one and this one. Right, so let's just label these. So this one is called Fed. This one is called E. And this one is called X. So we can take all of these out like this and get rid of these ones there like that. So now you've got those shapes, you can just say get an extrude, and I'm going to get 3 of them because we need 3, and put the Fed inside the first one, and the E inside the second one, and the X inside that one. Now what you'll notice is that they've gone in different directions. Let's just quickly go to this, and in the object you can see it says offset 100. I'm just going to change it to -100. And the same with this one. And there we have it. Hopefully that makes sense. And obviously if we want to colour these, you can colour them. So we'll just make a purple. Can't remember which way around they are now. Let's just have a look. It's purple is the Fed. So drop that onto here and also onto the E. And this one is the orange, so make an orange. And drop that one onto the X. Just put that there. There we go. And the last thing is just a tiny bit of end caps on. So I'll just change this up to about, say, 2. And this one just up to 2. And this one 2. That's it. Hope that helps. You don't need the letters. You just, if you've got them, you need to make them into shapes anyway. Okay, hope that helps. Okay, cheers, bye.